Hello everyone, welcome to SR Gaming. Today I have found a jungle temple here. When I was roaming here and there in creative mode, I had found it. So now I am going to tell you some secrets about this temple. In this temple there are some secrets hidden that I am going to tell you. So without wasting any time, we will start. So here is the entrance of this temple. First of all, I will take my torches. Inside the temple it is very dark. So now we will go downstairs. What is inside it? There are some levers, 3 levers. So be very careful about this trap. This is a tripwire. If you step on this tripwire, see what happens. See, the dispenser is connected to this tripwire. So be very careful. Here is also the tripwire, as you can see this. See, the redstone is here. So when you are playing survival mode and you found this temple, so be very careful. When you enter this temple, you should remove this string and this redstone, all the redstones from here. See, then it will get deactivated. So now here is one chest. So now we will look inside what is there. There are some bones. So now the another secret is this, the 3 levers. When you on this lever and this lever, see what happens now. You can see the stone has gone inside. See, here is the treasure of this temple. One second secret. So here is the chest. We'll look inside. There are 3 gold ingots, rotten flesh and some bones. Gold ingot is very useful for me, so I'm taking it. See, the lever is connected to this redstone and to the sticky pistons also. See, if you remove these 3 stones, the treasure will be visible to you. See, you can go from here also. There are 2 ways. I had shown you from this side. See, and another way is to break this stone and to go inside. So these are the secrets of this jungle temple. So thank you for watching. For such videos, stay tuned with SR Gaming.